Kaseng Neutral National Liberation Council dan ke Hnlc hene kasengi ka flight trip warjar fulai kala penpau baka Jingiakren kala don hakabai day baka jingsha sia dia bu ba Cherish to feel thank you house na marjar fuwei bad ongru bakimpat hun nya ke balami na jing tokit Halor kani jingja ya kani la penpau do kaseng ha Jingiakren kala pathai khubor menta kasengi hading jing penbet jongka baka sarkar na bata Jingiakren nisok kabon sedang shen Haba Jingiakren Halor kani kaseng lingbau siang Jingiakren yesuk ba sadun bela kala penpau ba kani on Jingiakren khamsani bah ondala sedang Jingiakren yesuk ba sarkar hakaju gapor ba sadun la penpau ru ba kaseng kam kwa benjam palat syakmat ye menta Halor kani benta dak babu jingmut ru ye hiti dukhat kibla kelon yapno haswa.
What happened to Cherish thank you, and what is the stand of the Hnlc on that? We agree that Cherish thank you is the martyr of the organization. But apart from Cherish thank you, there are many others who have laid down their life for the cause that they have stood for. So, having a high respect for Cherish thank you, and the Hnlc have also, if they have not complained or raised voice about the loss of other martyrs in the previous years. So, the Hnlc has taken this matter as seriously, but it does not want to go further by neglecting the past martyrs also who have sacrificed their life in the same way as Cherish have sacrificed. Discussion was there, findings were not happy, but all those things we will be placing in the formal talk with the government to have a proper understanding about what's going on with the extermination of Cherish. That we will be discussing in the first formal meeting.
Can you tell us how long it will take to ensure a peace pact?
That we can only reveal after the first, second, third round of meetings. Right now it is too soon to.
It is difficult to predict how long because there are many issues involved here: constitutional issues, legal issues, then issues of amnesty, issues of IPC, CRPC, courts issues. There are many things involved. It's not only a peace process, so it will take. We can't say how much, but it will take that.